How's it going, guys? Welcome back to Let's Automate This. I'm Anthony Virgo and I'm back. Today, I'm going to show you how to learn AI quicker than 99% of people out there. So, when it comes to AI, there's a bunch of things that you want to be aware of, you want to understand, and then you also want to focus, right? Because there's a bunch of AI tools out there where you can actually just go down a rabbit hole and be confused, and that's not what we want to do. Now, if you're not familiar with Ikigai, it is a Japanese format and term for finding your purpose, finding what you love to do, and aligning that. The reason why we start here is because once you find your purpose and what you're trying to do and what you're trying to build, then you'll be able to identify the tools, identify the workflows, and identify your purpose in using AI. It doesn't necessarily have to be Ikigai, but it can be a format in terms of you finding out your purpose with AI or what you're trying to do in the world. What do you love, right? What do you love? What is it? Is it family? Is it the community that you want to impact? What does the world need? Right? It's not what you need. What does the world need? What am I good at? Right? What are you good at? Right? What do you like doing? What is your passion? What is it? Is it speaking? Is it learning? Is it teaching? Is it music? Is it art? Is it being organized? Is it doing hair? Is it cooking? What are you good at? And then what can I get paid for? Now, I know everyone isn't starting a business or going on an AI journey, but this is important because what can I get paid for also means what value am I bringing to the table? So we're going to switch gears a little bit, right? So that was the Ikigai formula. The next thing I want you to really think about is what are your top three AI tools that you're using? Because here's the thing, when you're learning AI, there's a bunch of AI tools out there. There's so many. There's thousands and hundreds of thousands of AI tools. Which one do I use? Breathe, right? Relax. Use the AI tools that you are already using. Use ChatGPT for brainstorming. That's standard. I don't brainstorm in any other tool but ChatGPT. Claude Code allows me to expedite the building process. So I'll brainstorm, curate my ideas, right? Write them down, and then I'll have a session with ChatGPT. And then when I'm done with that session, I'm ready to build, right? I'm ready to build out the skeleton, the bones. Then I have a platform for designing, right? Or clipping up videos, Opus Clip. This is the benefit of AI because they're going to be able to work together, right? It's like a team. You're stacking up your team, right? So find your top three tools. Let's dissect it and let's get better with those. Next thing I'm going to talk about is AI safety. Never put your username and password in a large language model. If you find yourself in a scenario where you actually put your username and password into this large language model, which is open source, go ahead and change your password. The next thing is you never want to expose your API keys. And pretty much what API keys do, they unlock access to another system, right? So if Gmail want to talk to Slack, if Slack want to talk to Stripe, and then you want all of them to talk together, it works with API keys. But each API key is unique and it is unique to what you have going on. So you never want to share it. Think of your API key as your AI social security. What you never want to do is leave bypass permissions mode on and you don't know what you're doing. It's so easy to go into Claude Code and say, hey, build me this. You have bypass permission mode and it goes and build it. And you don't know what happened, right? You don't know any logistics or anything that it done. Be ethical with AI. Be ethical with AI. I know it sounds simple, but AI is a new technology and we know, right? We're already hearing stories. We know that there's going to be a bunch of things that are happening, right? A bunch of cybercrime, a bunch of information being stolen, a bunch of things that are going to be happening initially with AI. It happens, right? It happened with the internet. It happens with these new structures. It's technology when people start to fastly integrate these things. Be ethical with AI as much as possible. Trust that AI will make mistakes. Welcome to the AI Confidence and Workflow builder. This is going to be where we're starting our phases. So when you learn AI, the goal is going to be to learn it without being overwhelmed. You want to build confidence in this new technology, and you're going to be able to be comfortable and speak about it in a more impactful way, and in a way where you're going to be able to support others. So this is the first phase. It's going to take some time for you to get used to how you flow with AI. But as long as you have your tools, as long as you know what your purpose is, as long as you understand the safety barriers, you're going to be fine. Let's talk a little bit about prompting and voice coding, right? This is going to be what we're going to go through in the next session, but I'm going to talk about it a little bit here. So with prompting, right, it's the way you speak to your AI, right? It's the way you give it its ideas, its instructions. AI uses a specific format, which is markdown format. But it's not just about understanding the format so you could type it. It's understanding the format so you can actually speak to AI in a way that it receives your instructions properly. With vibe coding, it's getting all your ideas together. It's building a knowledge base, right? It's taking screenshots of another website and saying, hey, I like this on that website. Let me use the screenshot for the website that I'm building as a reference, as an example, right? It's actually talking to your AI system like how I'm talking to you on the screen. You want to perfect using natural language with AI, and that's going to come into understanding the prompting first. Once you understand, these basic things, you're going to be able to give AI a lot more. You're going to be able to talk to it freely, speak to it in its own language so that it'll be able to do what you need it to do.